Yeah, Kasim Pasha, good evening. Hi, bro. Good evening, sir. My voice, are you people able to hear me? Is my voice audible? Is my voice audible? Okay, nice. Yeah. So see, this is basically like a live question and answer. So if you people have any uh, doubts or if you want to ask me anything, you can ask. So since it's a English language channel, I'll be answering in English. You can ask your doubts in Hindi also, no problem. But if you feel I should speak in Hindi, I'll speak in Hindi as well. But since it's a English channel, no, I'll be speaking in English only. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, sir, where did you learn your teaching skills? See, teaching was something which I liked right from my early days of engineering. So I just wanted to make my career in that only. I wanted to teach and all. And when you start to do something for a long period of time, you develop a skills. So there is nothing new in that. Okay, that is how it is. So like, let's say if you're working on the side and you're working for a 3 to 4 years, then you get to learn all those things. Initially, you'll be a fresher only, no? Simple. After some time, what happens is you become expert in that. So when you do something for a long period of time, you develop that skill. Hello. Hello. Yeah. 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 Okay. Audible. Uh, See, if you people have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. And apart from that, let me know. Okay. Okay. How can I get your Udemy course? There is nothing like free here. I mean, you can go to Udemy. I have put certain free courses, but all those free courses are for 2 hours of the lecture. You can watch them, and if you feel I'm the right person to guide you, then you can enroll my complete courses. You can go. You can do that. Yeah. Sir, which software is best for civil engineer to earn more software for freshers? Yeah, very good question. Now, see, I'll tell you few of the things. Okay, let me do that. Uh, Give me 1 minute. I'm just on my screen. I'll tell you which is the best software. Okay, uh, just wait for a minute. Stop sharing. Okay, yeah, just 1 minute. Okay, I'll share the screen once again. Yeah, is my screen visible now? Give me 1 minute. Yeah. See, there are a lot of softwares, but especially if you want to master structure engineering softwares, the best your brain is the best structure design software. So first thing is that no, your fundamental should be good in RCC subjects and those other subjects. Okay, and only then you can be good in softwares like ETAB, STAD Pro, and all. Okay, so for freshers, I would always suggest start with site execution knowledge, start with drawing reading knowledge, try to learn all those things initially. And after that, whatever field you want to get into, you can learn those softwares. First, in the initial days, don't start with any software. Learn the fundamentals, learn how the works are done on the site and all. And then you can, go behind the softwares. Okay. Yeah. Uh, hi, sir. I am planning to do masters in structural. I got 3578 rank in Karnataka PGCET. Please guide me, sir. Yeah, you can do Parikshit. You can do this thing. What is that? Masters. Okay. Since 3578 is a good rank, look for colleges like RV College, Ramaya College. All these are the good colleges in Bangalore. Okay. You can try to get admissions there, but don't stick to the college studies, because again college will not make you a structural engineer. Your fundamentals may be good, but tomorrow if you have to work on the live projects and all on the colleges will not teach you those things. So you have to enroll in certain courses and all. You can connect to me. Okay. His name is Parikshit. I'll give you my number. I'll drop my number. Okay. So I'll drop it. Okay, see, WhatsApp me, don't call me. I'll guide you what you're supposed to do. Okay, 8095 128 107. This is my WhatsApp number, Parikshit. You can connect to me, and I'll guide you what has to be done. Yeah, Emmanuel, I'm a recent graduate who want to learn civil engineering. What are the roadmap? Then where can I start from with going to any construction company for now? See, initially, like I mentioned, start with a site execution job. Go to the construction site, work there for 1 year. Try to understand how the executions are done and all. And after that, slowly you can move towards the other field, like you can become a quantity surveyor, you can become a planning engineer. Okay, if you feel like you want to get into structure designing field, but always start with a site engineer job, so that you get to know how these buildings and all are constructed and all. Okay, better start with a site engineer job. Yeah, Parikshit, you can call me, but don't call today. Call me tomorrow around 11:30 or 12 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I'll speak to you. Fine. Okay. Okay. Fine. Other people, you can ask your questions. Okay. So what documentation required in QS job? Like, okay, what documentation required in QS job? Like what kind of documentation? The documentation, like what documentation is required? Is there any internship for civil engineers? Like, see, you can enroll in my courses, yeah. I mean, see, if you want free internship and all, you should approach to the companies. Let me do, you have to approach to the companies. Okay. For example, I'll tell you how you have to approach the companies and all. Yeah, you can message me on WhatsApp, dear. Okay. I'll tell you how to approach the companies and all. See, one thing is everybody has to create a LinkedIn profile. Okay. Create a LinkedIn profile. And for example, let's say somebody told that he wants to do a internship. See, I'll tell you one beautiful thing. If you want to learn about site execution, estimation and all, come to me, I'll teach you. My courses are far better than even in the internship. You may not be able to learn to that level, because internship is hardly 30 days, 45 days there. I'm not telling you will not learn, but I'll teach you far better. Apart from that, if you get to work on some high rise buildings and all, definitely do that. So in that case, you have to connect with the people on LinkedIn. For example, let's say you want to work as an intern, let's say Prestige company in Bangalore. Okay. So what you have to do, you connect to the HR in Prestige. Okay. Prestige. Prestige Bangalore. Prestige construction, let's say. So you get the list of HRs, those are working in Prestige company. So try to connect with all those things. Okay. Uh, Rupam Panchal. Okay. Supriya. Let me connect with this guy. Let me check. Okay, great. See, he is a assistant general manager, human resource, HR. So try to connect with him. See, it depends which place you want to do internship. Let's say if you want to do it in Mumbai, connect to this guy. You have to connect him, and then you follow him. After following, then you message him like, see that you are a graduate student, or you are a civil engineering student who is in third or fourth year of engineering. I'm looking to do a intern in a prestige company. I would like to know how can I get an internship opportunity. Then you just describe about yourself, like from which college you're from which place, like why you want to do internship in prestige company. And then you can give us small resume. Okay, since you people are studying, you'll not have a what 2-3 page resumes and all. Just make a half-page resume describing about why you want to work there and what skill sets you have. So in this way, try to connect with lot of people. So I gave you example for one. In the same way, so you see one more 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗃𝗵, she is HR at Prestige Group. No, so just connect with them. Okay, she is from Bangalore now. For somebody who wants to do internship in Bangalore, connect to her, then message them. See, few people will reply, few people will not reply. No problem. If you connect with 100 people, at least 10 will reply. If 10 replies, that's sufficient. Okay. Yeah. Done. Kiran, okay, I explained. Huh. My question is, without taking SBC of G plus 2, how we can consider by seeing soil inside which type of footing suits? Yeah. See, again, it will come to experience one thing. Usually what happens, like I'm from Karnataka, I mean, I'm from Mangalore. In our coastal region, no, we usually get a laterite stone at a depth of 5 to 6 feet. So once you do the construction in that particular belt, you get to know that okay, 6 feet is something where you get a hard laterite stone that is sufficient. That is one option. But sometimes that not be the case everywhere. Always it's better if you're a good engineer. Always better spend some 10-12,000 rupees, get a soil test done, so that way you're eliminating all the risk. Why you want to unnecessarily take a risk? Because soil is, soil, you cannot predict the nature of a soil. Concrete you can predict, steel you can predict. Let me tell you one thing. Okay, I think I'll share my screen, this thing. Yeah, I'll tell you one thing. All of you have studied about this thing, no? What is that? How shall I write it? How can I write? Okay, let me write something. Okay, I have to type, no? Text box. Okay, shall I go with a new page? I'll go with a new page. Okay. This is good. Yeah, text. Yeah, I'm coming live for the first time, so it's little difficult for me to understand how this operates and all. Just bear with me. Okay. Yeah. So for concrete, what is this thing factor of safety you take? For concrete we take 1.5 for concrete. Okay, concrete we take 1.5. For steel we take factor of safety, that is partial factor of safety, as 1.15. Do you know how much we take for the soil? For soil we take almost 2 to 3. Why we are taking 2 to 3 factor of safety for the soil? Because soil is unpredictable. Because whatever soil you, let's say, okay, soil is unpredictable. You cannot predict the nature of a soil. So that is the reason we go with a factor of safety of 2 to 3 with the soil. So why you want to take a risk and all? Always go for a soil testing. Do a soil test. You'll get a report. Okay, I'll show you one report also. Okay, I'll stop sharing and I'll come back here. Okay, okay, I'll stop sharing. No, just 1 minute. Okay, I'll stop sharing. I'll show you one report. Okay, it's not happening. Stop sharing. Okay, I'll stop the sharing. Give me 1 minute. See, I'll take everyone's question. Just wait for some time, okay? I just need to find few documents and all in between. I'll take those documents. Yeah. Okay, great. Yeah, I'll take his question and then I'll come to other questions. Yeah. Is my screen visible now? Yeah, it's visible now. See, this is a report. This is a geotechnical report. So always better spend some 10-15,000 rupees, and this geotechnical people will give you all this report, like what is a building all about. Okay, all those things will tell you what is the scope of your investigation. Each and everything will prepare in a report like this. So you spend some money. After spending some money, they'll completely give you a report telling that what is the SBC of your soil and all. And based on that, they'll tell you, see, what kind of structure you are going to do. Suppose if you're doing a structure at a 1.5 meter, you are getting a SBC of 12 tons per square meter. That is 120 kilonewton per square meter. Then for at a depth of 2 meter, you are getting 14. That is 140 kilonewton per square meter. At a depth of 2.5, you are getting 18 tons, that is 180 kilonewton per square meter. So now what will happen, we'll do excavation up to 2.5 meter, considering 180 kilonewton per square meter is the SBC of the soil. So when you get such a detailed report, why you want to unnecessarily take a risk and decide and all? No, will not do that. Okay, so always get your these things done, better thing. Okay, yeah, okay, okay. So I think I have taken your question. Whose question I have taken? Uh, okay, I took his questions. Okay, fine. Yeah, my question is, without taking SBC of soil G plus 2, how we can consider by seeing soil in the site, which you cannot do that. Okay, you cannot do such things. Always better get this thing done. Okay, fine. Okay, now next question. What is the role in internship? I am what to do? See, internship role depends what kind of companies you are applying for. Suppose if you are applying for a site job, you will be working as a site engineer. You go to the site, you get to see what is happening on the site and all. Suppose if you get a job in an office, let's say you're working under a quantity survey, then you try to do the basic estimations and all. Suppose if you got a job as an intern under a planning engineer, so then you'll be learning about how the planning should be done and all. Okay, that is how it is. Emmanuel, I have checked your courses on Udemy. Yeah, you just WhatsApp me. I'll send you the list of my courses, and based on that, we'll discuss. Okay? Yeah. Sir, how different the construction process of abroad countries compared to India in terms of materials, manpower, machinery, and other execution? Yeah, Indian civil engineers can survive. Okay, very good question. No, let me give you some this thing. Very good examples. Few of my students are working. See, construction is always a construction. Okay. Only the thing is the material quality may change and all. But end of the day, you do whatever. You do a G plus story building, you do a G plus 100-story building. You will have to do the excavation. Simple. Excavation is you're supposed to do. Okay. I'll show you. See, my screen is visible. I got a job abroad. Okay, I have to share it completely. Wait. Yeah, I got job abroad in my first interview. Now I'm in Saudi Arabia. Okay, he's one of my student who got a job in Saudi. So I've taken my course. Thank you so much, sir. Your work is awesome. Okay. Similarly, I'll show you other reviews. The reasons why I'm showing you the reviews is that sequence of construction remains the same. Even if you're doing a construction in India, after excavation you'll do PCC only. You're doing a construction in Dubai, Saudi, US, UK, anywhere, after excavation you'll do PCC only. After excavation, not put a column. Simple. Sequence of construction, everything remains the same. Fundamentals are always fundamentals. Hello, sir. With the help of this course and other courses provided, I was able to crack a job in Dubai. It really helped me a lot to strengthen my foundation in my civil engineering. Got it? No. So in this way, I have a lot of students' reviews. I can show you all those things. So that why I'm showing you is you get to know the sequence of construction and everything is same. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. And there was one more review, and let me show you that review as well. Okay. Okay. Yeah. See, these are few of my students. Okay. He is one of my student who went to this thing Abu Dhabi, and he got a job there. Right now I'm working with a visit visa. So he had learned from my course. So whatever he has learned from my course, same application is able to see there. You can see one more. He is one more of my student who is working in Oman. So in Oman also it's the same thing. Sequence of construction remains the same. Yeah, but the quality of construction may be good or bad. That's how it is. But end of the day, if your fundamentals are good, no, you can work anywhere, no problem. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, apart from that, yeah, I'll stop the sharing. I'll show you one more this thing. The same student, he's in contact with me. So what happens is sometimes they'll send me the pictures and all. Okay. Like okay, I cannot share it now. Just wait, huh? Just hold on for a minute. Okay, I'll share a few images. Yeah. Okay, I'm sharing the screen now. Yeah. Okay. Can you see this? He's one of my student who's working in the Abu Dhabi. So he had sent me few of the images. You see, construction is same only. Okay, it's nothing much changes and all. So like scaffolding, all these things. Same in India also you'll do the same construction. Only the thing is there you do a lot of different kind of projects and all. And if you're working on a huge projects, then you encounter this pile, shoring pile, and or you'll encounter all these big machines and all. But end of the day, they're also going to pour the concrete only. Okay, so if your fundamentals are good, you can work anywhere, not an issue. Okay, that is how it is. Okay, so that is how it is. Yeah, I'll stop sharing now. Huh. So what else questions? Okay, it means wherever we go, like Australia, Canada, construction. Yeah, construction process are similar. Yeah, construction. See, simple. Yeah, just apply your logic. No, after excavation, what you'll do? You'll put PCC only. After excavation, will you put slab? If it is a raft, and it's a different thing. But that's how the sequence of construction remains the same. Okay. Yeah. So 9 people are online. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Okay. Okay. So let me know if you people have any other questions. Okay. Okay. I think I'm not getting any questions. Fine. No issues. What's your take on BIM in today's time, sir? Should we learn those? Yeah. Good question. Good question. Uh, you should understand what exactly you want to do. Okay. For example, let us say I'll give you two cases. Let's say your plan is, sir, I have a plan of working on the construction side for 1 or 2 years, and after that I want to start my own consultancy where I'll be doing house plans. Then after that I'll do the construction also. I'm also interested to do structure designing. If this is your goal, you don't require BIM. Got it? If this is your goal, you don't require BIM because BIM is not required for all these things. That is how it is. But if your goal is like, no, sir, I want to work in big MNC companies. I want that corporate life, like Monday to Friday, I'll be working. Saturday, Sunday should be chill for me. I want to have an office kind of work. If that is your goal, and I want to work in metro cities, then BIM is something for you because usually the BIM jobs are in uh, metro cities only, like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, let's say Delhi, Gurgaon, and all. You don't find a BIM job in a local consultancy and all. Okay, first thing. That is how it is. And in BIM, what happens is you are basically working in a architecture sector or maybe in a structural part and all. That is how the work is all about. Okay, so you have to plan accordingly. What is your final goal? Like what exactly you want to do? So that is how it is. Because after learning BIM, you cannot say I'll come back to my hometown and I'll start practicing. Who wants BIM in the small construction firm? See, what is BIM? BIM is a process where you bring in all these stakeholders like architect, structural engineers, MEP engineers together so that there is a good coordination in the project, right? So that is the importance of a BIM. For a small G+1 building, you don't require BIM and all. Yeah, one engineer can take care of it. No, that is how it is. Why you require BIM and all for small G+1, G+2, 3,000, 4,000 square feet house? You don't require BIM and all. Okay, got it. Now, BIM is a process where you use softwares like Revit architecture, Revit structures, Navy's work for the clash detection. So that is how it is. Okay, but when you're doing a huge projects, for example, let's say I'll share my screen. Okay, let's say you're doing a project something like this. Can you see these projects? These are high-rise buildings and all. So it's a my one construction and all. So if you're doing some big infrastructure projects and all, here what happens? You want everyone's input and all. So in that case, you implement BIM and all. But this kind of projects, where you're going to do this kind of project, the big cities only, no, right? So in that case, it will help you. But if you're doing a small G+1 building and all, you don't require and all. Got it? That is how it. So you should understand what exactly you want to do. Hmm. Okay, understood. No, who asked this question? Parikshit. Yeah, fine. Okay, done. I think, yeah, that is, I think at least a basic understanding you have got. Okay, fine. For doing estimation, what are the things need to know step by step? Again, see, yeah, uh, first you should know sequence of construction, that is site execution. Then you should know how to read the structural drawings. Then you should know basic things like how to do the estimation and all. I'll share my screen. See, all these things I teach in my course. Of course, I'll be telling about my course also in between. For somebody who likes, you can watch. Somebody who don't want to watch, see, this is called as bar bending schedule. You prepare such kind of, like for example, you can see the footing here, right? No, how much amount of steel is required in this footing. You prepare a bar bending schedule like this. Similarly, you do it for the slab also. You're getting my point. No, all these things we do in estimation and all. So when you enroll in my course, I'll teach you all these things, how to prepare such kind of sheets, how the bar bending schedule should be done and all. In the same way, we have to do estimation also. For estimation, I'll tell you. Okay, estimation I don't. Okay, advance. Yeah. So this is for estimation now. So this is called as bill of quantities. For example, somebody came and actually, see, I'm constructing a G+2 story building. Tell me what will be the total cost of it. Then I'll prepare a complete bill of quantity where I'll tell, okay, these are the items which will come in your building. Based on that, I've quoted the road. Quoted the rate, and this is a total amount. The total cost will be somewhere close to. These are rough. Let's say it's a detailed estimate. Initially, we'll be doing a rough estimate. For that, you should know each and everything. For that, you should know how to do this thing, how to find the excavation quantity. Okay, all these things I will be teaching in my course. Then also you should know how to find out the complete material estimate. Okay, like for example, for that building, how much amount of concrete, how much amount of cement, sand, aggregate is required, what is the total material cost. Okay, masonry work, how much is required, outside plastering, inside plastering, ceiling plastering, what is the total cost and all. You're getting my point, no? So all these things you should learn. Then again, when you come to this thing, measurement sheet, here you should do each and everything. Excavation, what is the total excavation quantity, what is the total soiling quantity, what is the sand filling quantity, how much amount of PCC quantity is required, all each and everything you are going to do. So to do this, first thing is you should know how to read the structural drawing. Before that, you should know sequence of construction. What is sequence of construction? See, first activity is, of course, we'll be doing earthwork. After the earthwork, what is the second activity? Will you put slab? No, you'll do the PCC, or sometimes soiling will be there. So soiling quantity will be finding. After soiling, what you'll do? Sometimes sand filling will be there or soiling will be there. After that, you put PCC. After PCC, what you're going to do? After PCC, we'll put a footing mesh that will be done in BBS. Here I'll put shuttering quantity. So how much shuttering quantity is required for the footing? After shuttering quantity, what you'll pour the concrete? Which grade of concrete? M20 grade of concrete. Then concrete quantity I'll find. So if you don't know the sequence of construction only, what kind of estimate you're going to do? That's how it is. Okay. Again, all these things are taught in my course. See, for somebody who wants to learn all these things, I always welcome you people. You can download my Civil Brains app. Okay, this is my Civil Brains app. Download my Civil Brains app. So I given one small free course for 1 rupee. You can enroll in the free course. And if you feel my content is good, I'm the right person to teach you. Don't waste much time here. We just watch my lecture for 3 to 4 days. Okay, come click on the content here. So I've given both English and Hindi language. Click on the English language for English people. So I've in site execution, I've given you 40 videos. In the basic drawing reading, I've given you 10 videos. Estimation, I've given you around 16 videos. BBS I've given you around, okay, 17 videos I've given. Okay, no problem. Is it okay? 17 videos I've given. Fine. Just watch up to here. If you feel my content is good, I'm the right person to teach you. Just quit this course, enroll in my complete course. Either you buy this complete course where I'll teach you everything, or you can go for my 6-in-1 combo course. Okay, don't, because here I'll not teach you everything. Now don't expect that I'll be giving you my 500 plus hours of the content in 1 rupee, or my this thing 350 plus hours of the content in 1 rupee. I cannot do all those things. Okay, simple. So this course is basically to tell you to what level I teach. If you feel my content is good, I'm the right person to teach you. Enroll in the complete course. You'll get all my future courses in this. This is a very good course which has everything in this. When I say everything, whatever I know, I am going to teach you. So like I'll be teaching you complete site execution, advanced site execution, how to read the structural drawing, what are the structure engineering concepts, how to do the quantity estimation, how to do the BBS, how to do the BOQ. Then also we'll learn how you can prepare for the interview, what are the practical aspects of building construction. We'll learn concrete technology, we'll learn MS Excel, then we'll learn the basic project planning, and then we'll learn the steel structure execution. And future, whatever my courses are going to come, you'll get this in course. And whenever you enroll in my course, no, if you give me at least 3 months of time, in your first salary, all your money will be recovered. This course is for 10,000. There will be offer of 1,000 or 1,500 rupees off sometime. You can buy it for 8,500 rupees. And you have to give me at least 3 months of time. I cannot make you an engineer in 15, 20 days and all. Minimum 3 months is required, because it has more than 350 plus hours of the content. So if you give me 3 months, definitely you'll have a wonderful knowledge. And if you, I'll show you a few reviews. Why I'm showing you the reviews? No, all these other students, those who are enrolled in my course, that is the reason they have given the review. Okay, you can check the reviews also. See, he is one of my student. He is working in DRDO. Okay, our site engineers from contractor side need this course. I suggested them. After attending your 6 months construction manager mastery course, even the layman will become a professional civil engineer. Kudos, sir. Akshay sir has an immense subject knowledge and a very humble and helpful person towards student. Okay, you read all these things. This is the best course of my life. I got my each and every doubt cleared. Akshay sir is the best instructor. He have explained each and every concept in detail and cleared every single doubt. I wanted to thank you for your valuable lectures and videos, which has been very helpful to me in my civil area. Okay, you can go through all these reviews. These are the reviews given by the students. Okay, so that is the reason I'm telling. Fine. Okay, any other question? Yeah, yeah, enough. Apart from that, okay, sir, can I learn complete construction execution by self, or taking courses compulsory? Like if I want to learn the execution from YouTube, is it possible? Yeah, very good question. See, YouTube, you'll get videos, but whom you are going to follow? There are 100 plus channels in civil engineering. Whom you are going to follow? Let's say you watch my video. After some time, on the right side, somebody else's video came. You clicked on that. He is going to explain you something. After that, you are going somewhere. See, I'll tell you one thing. uh, Invest in your knowledge. If you, I don't know about other courses, but if you invest in my course, no, definitely in the next 3 months, whatever money you are going to invest, no, it is going to come back to you. You'll get a very good job. That is how it is. Because see, I'll tell you a few things here. See, you asked a good question. This is my complete course. It has more than how many videos you tell? 2,000 videos are there. 2,000 videos are there here, and almost 350 plus hours of the content. I'll never put these videos on YouTube. No, why would I do that? I would never do. Even if I put also, nobody will watch. So that is the reason. Better invest the money. You people spend money on mobile. You people spend some 2 3 thousand on your party and all. Instead of that, spend money here, and definitely you'll get a very good knowledge. And after that, you can speak with anyone technically, and you see my, see what I'll do. You enroll in my free course. Watch it for 3 to 4 days. If you feel my content is good, go for the complete course. Always better invest money, because see, simple. I have around 8 years of experience. So my 8 years of experience, you cannot learn it from some random YouTube channel. You cannot learn. If you want to learn, you require another 8 years to reach my level. So better spend some money, learn through my mistakes, learn through my knowledge, and then you can upgrade. Then you can work, right? That is how it is. So everyone's experience is different, no? So always invest in knowledge, invest in courses. Definitely. See, why I'm telling you to invest in courses? No, I'll tell you one thing. See, I also take a lot of courses. I'll tell you a few things. Not only this thing. I'm sharing. Yeah, 1 minute. Where is that? Huh. Yeah, I'll share my screen again. I'll take your question. This thing, sir. Many workers say site engineer job is worst. Okay, I'll come back. I'll finish this and I'll come back there. Yeah. See, I wanted to learn about stock market. Okay. Now, I could have gone to YouTube. There are hundreds of people on YouTube. I could have learned from there. But what happens every day? I'll be watching some new videos on YouTube and I will get confused. So what I did, I took a course. The cost of this course was around 8,000 rupees. He has around 10 years of experience. Now I'm learning a bit about stock market and all. Okay. I wanted to learn how the YouTube works because YouTube itself is a big subject. You people may feel only I'm coming live and doing video, but behind that there are a lot of things which we need to learn. I took his course in 2020. So this guy is running 3 to 4 YouTube channels. You're getting my point, no? I paid around 5,000 rupees to this course. I learned from his course and I'm implementing that in my YouTube journey. In the same way, I wanted to learn something about spirituality. Okay, so recently he is one of Swamiji who's having around his age is 60 plus. So I wanted to learn all these things and all. So I spent around 5,000 rupees and I learned this. So I could have told, okay, why should I spend 5,000? Let me learn from YouTube. But YouTube, whom I'm going to follow? There are hundreds of people. I don't know whom to follow and all. But here, what happens? Let's say I have any doubt. I'll put a doubt here. This guy will reply. When you take a courses, we'll be there to help you out. We'll answer your queries and all. No. So but if I say no, 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 I'll not take course and all, why should I waste my money? Then today, then you will not reach. For example, if I told no, no, I learn YouTube on my own, then today I would not have in like today. How many subscribers do I have? How many subscribers? I have around 22,000 subscriber on my English channel. Hindi channel I have around 40,000 subscribers I have. How did I reach there? Because there are logic, there are little things which you need to apply on YouTube. There's something called SEO, there's something called as thumbnail and all. I learned all those things, I implemented. That is how it is. So always better invest in your learnings. It's the best investment that you're going to do. And especially I would say if you're investing in my courses, you'll get that returns, that much confidence and faith you can have on me. Okay. Yeah, great. What else? What else? Okay, I'll take a few more questions. Shall I share the screen and then take a? Okay, stop sharing. Okay, nice. Yeah. Okay, okay. There are a lot of questions, no? Okay. Okay, yeah. Movie world, your question is done. Sir, many people say site engineer job is worst. We have to work for 8 to 10 hours for 10 to 12K salary, and we don't have future in it. Very good question. So, who told you all those things? These are the same people, those who didn't upgrade in their life. These are the same people, those who didn't invest in their learnings. That is it. That is one reason. I'll give you today's example only. I'll open my this thing. What is that? This thing. What is that? Uh, my WhatsApp chat. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm not sharing the screen. I'll share now. See, I'll tell you everything which my students have done. Today only, one of my student messaged me. Today evening itself, he messaged me. Okay, okay. I'll show it. Okay. Okay, I'll take a screenshot and show. That would be better. I'll take a screenshot of this and I'll put it in. Alright, just give me 1 minute, okay? I'm just doing few things behind the scene. Just wait. Okay. Yeah. Let me put it at the last. Yeah. Great. So I'll share my screen now. Just watch it because I need to know. Yeah. Okay. I'm sharing my screen now. So this message, can you read? He's one of my student. Okay, Mukesh. Yeah. So today only he messaged me, okay, in the evening around 4:15. Okay. So he was working as a site engineer and he was working for around 20,000 rupees. Last year he had called me. He was in the same situation. Yeah, 1 minute. I'm just getting one call. Okay. Okay. Wait. I'm pausing my video for a while. 1 minute, huh? How to No. Hello. See, I have got a call. I have to go. So we'll do one thing. I'll come back again maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll take a screenshot of your questions. Okay, few of the people have asked me questions. So I'll take a screenshot, and next time when I come live, no, I'll be taking the same questions. Okay. Sorry, I got a call. I need to go. Okay. So I'll just this thing wind up this live stream. Maybe I'll come tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Hmm? And I'll take your questions. Okay. Chalo. Fine. Fine. Bye. Stop sharing. End stream.